equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on changing the panel of your Thermomix TM31. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Thermomix TM31 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely disconnected. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the device. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the panel. If you feel unsure at any point, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for help. Now, with the back panel removed, take a moment to clean the internal components with a soft cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, and keeping your Thermomix clean will ensure it operates efficiently. Next, locate the panel that needs to be changed. You will see additional screws holding it in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver again, carefully remove these screws. Make sure to keep track of them as well. Once the screws are out, gently pull the panel away from the device. If it feels stuck, check for any additional clips or connectors that may be holding it in place. Now, take your new panel and align it with the connectors. Ensure it fits snugly before securing it with the screws you previously removed. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your Thermomix serviced without any hassle. After securing the new panel, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and replace the screws at the back. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any issues later on. Finally, plug your Thermomix TM31 back into the power source and turn it on. Check to ensure that the new panel is functioning correctly. If you encounter any problems, don't forget that we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision on how to proceed. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the panel on your Thermomix TM31. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the life of your appliance, so keep an eye on its condition. If you need further assistance, feel free to contact us for support. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.